Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Mail Academy. Today we are going to learn how to convert iCloud email to Outlook. Search on Google Recovery Tools Email Backup Wizard. Click on Download. Install now. Select iCloud. Enter iCloud credentials. Click on Login. Check the folders that you want to convert. Click on PST. Select language. Select destination folder. Trial version converts limited 25 items. Buy license to get the unlimited access. Buy activate the software here. Detailed saving log will give you folder-wise data transfer count. Open destination folder for output. Converted PST file. Click on File. Click on Open and Export. Click on Open Outlook Data File. Select PST file. Folder hierarchy. Converted emails.